Barbecuing. You got a barbecue that's old. You need to put something that's on the top. And what we're going to do is unpack this product, show you what it's about. Take it out of the plastic container. Got a rubber band. Open it up. The color is orange. Check online for further details about your color. Nice close-up look at what it is. It's a mat. It goes on your barbecue. Over here to the side. So now when I check my food and I'm ready to put my utensils down, they go down on the side, protected on a mat. I could take my scrubber. When using my spatula, spices, herbs, and chips and whatnot, I could prepare everything on a mat. For further details about your mat, rubber mat, you could check again online about the sizes and makes and models they have. And when all done, you simply take everything off to the side. You got a little hook that you can hang up and let dry after you clean. Your barbecue mat, great for those side tables and whatnot. Enjoy your product if this is what you are after.